Good morning children. Last class we learned creating an edit table. So we have seen inserting a new column, inserting a new row, selecting, deleting row and column, resizing row and columns. So these are all the topics we covered in our last class. Today we are going to discuss how to merge table cells, how to split table cells, and how to change the border style and shading, and two simple options how to move and resize table. So these are all the topics we are going to learn in this session. So after learning this you can do format your tables wonderfully. Okay, next, first one, merge cell. So what is merge cell? Sometimes the data values may spread across two or more cells and you want to display it in one single cell. So at that time we can use the feature called merge. So using merge we can merge the content present in two or more cells to a single cell. So this is the speciality of merge cell. Then either we can merge the cells horizontally across the row or we can merge the cells vertically across the column. Okay, so two options we can do, either horizontally or either vertically. Now I am explaining you the steps to merge cells. So first step is you have to select the adjacent cells which are to be merged. Okay, next you should choose layout tab and click on merge cells. There will be an option called merge cells in merge group. So these are the two steps you have to follow for merging cells. Now see my table. I am having a table that is study schedule for term exam. This is what the table I asked you to prepare as a pre-learning activity. Now I too have this table with me. Now I am going to demonstrate you how to merge cells. See, in this table I planned a study schedule of IT subject on Thursday 1 p.m. Okay. Now I want to study IT subject for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the 3 days 1 p.m. So how can I schedule means, so now I want all these cells to be merged together. So as all these 3 days I want to learn IT subjects. So how we can merge means, select the cells which are all you want to merge. See, now for me I need these 3 days to be IT. Okay, so how I can do means, select all these cells. First step, now all the three cells are selected. What is the second step? In table tools, see my mouse, in table tools inside layout tab. So I am currently in layout tab, and in this we are having group called merge. So first select these three cells and then go to layout tab. See, merge cells, merge the selected cells into one cell. Simply click on it. So if you click on it, see, so all the cells were merged together. Three cells are merged together, which means that daily, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 1 p.m. I will study IT subject. In this way, you can do merge. So now I have done merging horizontally. Okay, now see here how to merge vertically. On Tuesday, I want to study IT subject from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So how can I merge this column means, select the cells whatever you need vertically, again go to layout and simply press merge cells. Now see the change, vertically the cells are merged. So in this way either horizontally or vertically you can do merging. Okay children, next, split cells. In the same way how we are doing merge, we can also split a cell into two or more cells to store multiple values in them. Okay, so what are the steps to be followed means, first you should select the cell and again go to layout tab and you will have option called split cells. So if you click on the split cells, a dialog will open and will ask you for number of rows and columns. That is how many rows and columns you want to be in that particular single cell. So if you give that, so as per your requirement it will split the cell. Okay, now I will demonstrate you these steps. Now again I am coming to the merge cell part. Now I don't want all the 3 days 1 p.m. IT subject. I want to do some other subjects to study. Okay, what can I do means, so now currently this cell I want to split. Simply select the cell. So where we have to go, layout tab. Please go to layout tab and click split cells. See, so if you click split cells means it will ask you for number of columns and rows. Now how many columns we need? 3 columns. And how many rows we need? Only 1 row. So simply give OK. Now see the difference. 3 columns are splitted, but I need some alignment. So last class we learned how to resize the size. Resize the row size and column size. How we should do? Simply place the cursor at the edges. We will get this arrow head. See, double line arrow head, double line, double side arrow head. If you simply move this and align it with other line, edge line. So see, now it is changed to 3 columns with 1 row. You can add some other subjects, for example English, Maths. So in this way you can split the cells. Okay, so how you should split the cells? Select the cell. For example, now I am doing once again. I want to split the cell. So first select the cell, go to layout and then click split cells. It will ask you for number of columns and rows. Now I want this 2 p.m. to be separated into 2 columns. 2 columns, 1 row. See, now first half an hour I will study IT and in second half an hour I will study Maths. So in this way you can split the cells. Okay children. Next, how to align alignment group. How to align the text. So inside the table you are typing some values and you should align neatly. So if you align means the user will look the content very nice. Okay, so aligning test means repositioning data in the cell. So in 9 ways we can reposition the data. 9 alignment options are there. So what are all the 9 alignment options are? See here, top left, top center, top right. Similarly, center left, center right, center and bottom left, bottom right, bottom center. These are the 9 alignments. Now I am demonstrating you. The first step is to align a cell. For example, now I am typing something. Currently I aligned all the cells to center alignment. Okay, that's why it is keeping like this. Now I am telling you one by one. Now I am typing Akila here. See, I typed Akila here. Type the content. Select the cell first and again go to layout tab. So in this layout tab, see here alignment section. What is the group you have to look for? Alignment group. In this alignment group, can you see this 9 alignment options? See, this is top, align top left. See the tooltip, align top left. So if you click on this, see Agila is aligned top left. Next, this is align top center. See, now Agila is top center. And next, align top right. See the change in my screen? It is aligned right, top right. And this is center left, center and center right, and this is bottom left, bottom center, and this is bottom right. Okay, did you observe the change? In this 9 ways you can align the text. It is always good to align with center for this schedule, and then sometimes left center is okay, and then sometimes simply center. So these two are frequently used center alignment options for aligning a text. Okay, so where you will uh, go and do alignment options, simply select the cells which you want to reposition the text. Go to layout tab, and in layout tab we are having alignment group, and in this alignment group we are having 9 different alignment options. Choose choose any one and align your text. Next is changing border style and cell shading. So we can change the border style and also we can apply some colors using shading options. Now I am explaining you. For understanding purpose, I am listing you the steps. Okay, now I am demonstrating you the steps one by one. Now going to a table, see here, now I want to apply border and shading for the entire table. So for entire table, what you should do means, to select the entire table, you should look at the top left corner of the table. See my mouse. If you look at the top left corner, Can you find this small square symbol with the four-headed arrow? See, this is called as moving table, moving or moving symbol. So I'm going to use this moving symbol to selecting the entire table. So you simply place the cursor on this and click. Once you get the four-headed arrow, click. See, the entire table is selected. Now after that, go to design tab. Now for changing borders and shading, you should go to design tab. Now I am clicking inside design tab. So it is listing various table styles. See, you can either choose a predefined table style, n number of many table styles are available. Whatever you want you can, or else you can define your own border shading. See, for that you should choose borders. So in borders, bottom border, top border, left border, all borders. Now currently we choose all border. That's why all entire table is outlined neatly. Or else you can use borders and shading options here to set the width and line style. See, here you can select the line style. So for example, if you want double line border, means you can simply select double line, and you can also select width for. So if you don't want a thin border, you can choose thick border. Okay, in this way, by using borders and shading, you can choose which border you want, and the style you can choose, line style you can choose, and also width of the line can also be set. Apply this to entire table. And next, this is page border. And for shading, so if you want to apply shading, that is color applying, means you can also give colors. If you select any colors, means the entire table will be filled with the background of brown color. Okay, and now currently I don't give any shading, I'm simply giving no color. Okay, now see, so borders and shading, borders is applied to the table. So in this way you can choose a border for your table. Next step is you can apply border specific to particular row or particular column or even particular cell. So now I'm selecting this row alone and once again going to this border section, and now I'm choosing some other line style. See, this line style, and I can also specify the width. For example, this width I want. So if you give OK, means this particular row alone will get changed with the applied border. So either you can apply border and shading to the entire table, or else to the entire row or column, or even a cell you can also do borders and shading. Okay, and the second one is shading. Now I am going to use shading for different subjects. For example, here I am having IT, English, Maths. So I want all the IT subjects to be shaded with different colors. For that, go to design tab, click shading. So for IT, I am going to use some light violet color. Click OK. See, so it is filled with. So now for easy understanding, I'll make all the IT subject with violet color. So wherever I found violet color, I will use. I'll easily guess. Yes, violet color is for IT subject. See here. Similarly, wherever IT, you simply fill it with violet. So either you can use the tools from paragraph tab, or else you can also use the same with design when you are having in design. Okay, so in two ways you can use shading, color, and for max we can give some other color, orange, light orange we can give. See, so wherever you find orange, you can simply guess the subject is maths. So color will help us to easily identify which subject is this. For English, we can give some green. So in this way, you can use shading to distinguish among cell values. So how you will insert borders and shading? Where you have to look up for borders and shading, you should go use the different tab called design tab. And in this design tab, we are having different table styles, predefined table styles. Either we can use this predefined table styles, or we can go to borders, and at the bottom we are having borders and shading. And using this borders and shading, either you can set the borders border width and border style. Okay, and next shading is simply to apply colors to each cell. By in this way you can distinguish different cells. Okay, and next is two simple things. One is table moving, how to move a table. So using move handle you should move the table. Once you look into a move handle, if you keep your mouse on the move handle, it will change to four headed arrow. If you drag, the table will automatically move. And resizing a table, to resize, small square appears at the bottom of the table, and if you click on it the double headed arrow will come. So if you drag it, the table will be resized. Now please look at my screen, I will demonstrate you. So for that, see at the top left corner you are having a move handle. So see, this symbol is called as move handle. See, this symbol is called as move handle. If you place the cursor, it will be changed to four-headed arrow. See, now click left click the mouse and drag. See the change? Now the table is moving. Now I am placing it in somewhere. Okay. In this way you can move the table. But be careful while moving a table. It will move some other ways. And next, for resizing at the bottom, please observe this small square. Can you see this small square? If you click on this, if you place your cursor on the small square, see, it will be changed to double-headed arrow. So if you click left click and drag, it means, see the change? The table size is changed. Okay, in this way you can resize the table and you can also move the table. So with this, merging, splitting, borders and shading, alignment and moving and resizing is over. Okay, we will discuss the remaining in our next class. Thank you.